I'm gonna replace the thermostat in this deep fryer. This is a cheap China-made Comstock Atosa bullshit fryer. And it uses that thermostat. So I've got the burners removed to get access to everything, and I've loosened that little bolt so I can turn this around and I can get to the thermostat. Unhook this, also really easy to figure out. So this is the thermostat that I took out of the cheap China-made fryer. Okay, that is 3/8 NPT. That's what that's called. And this is the American-made thermostat I'm going to be installing. That is 1/4" NPT. Obviously, I can't install this, so that means you can't use this thermostat. But this is available, and this is not available. You can't buy these fucking things. They're like $150 anyway. They're garbage. So how do you make an American thermostat fit a Chinese fryer? This $5 adapter, get this thing at Lowe's. It's a 1/4" NPT to 3/8 NPT bushing. It's all you need to make it work. We'll install our little bushing into the bottom of the fry pot. And then we install our American thermostat into the bushing. It's that easy. That's all you have to do. There's only 2 sizes of these. The cheapy China ones always have the bigger size. Don't over tighten the small one. It just has to be tight enough that this won't move. And that's good enough. In case you're wondering what the part number is. There you go. American thermostat on a cheap China bullshit fryer. Cheapy from China, the Chinese cheapy.